It's Frankie spazzing out. Where's your birds? God, just missed a good one. Where'd they go, Frank? Uh-oh. No birds? There they go. Run, Frank. Get that bird. Seagull. He's gone. There's a seagull flying. Pretty soon Frankie will be coming back. You can still hear him barking. Oh. Come on, Frank. He's way down there. Oh, here he comes. Come on, Frankie. Come on, Frankie. Come on, Frankie. Good boy. Another successful aerial attack diverted because of Frankie. Oh, here he goes again. Here he goes. He spotted another bird high in the sky. Oh my God. Impending aerial attacks. That's what he's avoiding. Trying to chase them away. Good boy, Frank. Yes, any more? No, better go have some water. Did you hear that bird? Oh my God. All right. Okay, is that enough? Did you chase them all away? Good job. Successful mission. All right, go get some water. Oh, no. Looking. Oh, Jesus. There he goes again. There goes another seagull. Oh, and Frankie spotted him. He's gone like a shot. Okay, we'll see where he comes back. Oh my God, he's got to be an eighth of a mile away already. Can hear him. Can hear him. Let's see if he's coming back yet. Come on, Frank. Oh my God, he's gone far this time. Oh, there he comes. Come on, Frankie. Come on. There we go. There he comes. Look at that. Fast little dog. Good boy. Oh, get some water now. Now he can cool down. That's good.